kitchen with Chef ChefCarlaAndrea, and today I'm gonna show you guys how to make a spiked pumpkin spice latte. I'm gonna put my spin on it and show you how to get down in your kitchen. What's up? So we're gonna do my favorite part and your favorite part, the mise en place. Cameraman, bring it on in. So we got some pumpkin spice latte, we got some white rum, we got some dark rum, we got whipped cream, we got coconut milk, we got some pumpkin spice. Let's get into the recipe. All right, so I'm super excited about pumpkin spice. I'm embarrassed to say this, but I've never had anything pumpkin, nothing pumpkin spice. So this is my first year. I'm really basking in this whole pumpkin spice thing, and I'm excited. So I was catting around the house, and Raquel seen my cocktail. She was like, "You didn't make me one?" I was like, "Say no more. I got you." So I decided to take this time to do it with you guys and make her a cocktail. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get 1 jigger of the pumpkin spice. Oh yeah. All right. Then I'm going to get 1 jigger of the white chocolate rum. And I like this white chocolate rum because it's actually clear. That's awesome. Then I'm going to do a jigger and a half of dark rum. And this rum was actually picked up on vacation. It's actually my mom's rum, which I'm super excited about because we're crashing her pad until our house is ready. All right. Oh, shoot. Ooh, too much to drink. I'm going to do 1 jigger of coconut cream. Then I'm going to do a dash of pumpkin spice. Then I'm going to put it on and I'm going to shake until the cup is cold. All right, it's cold. Tell you guys, I'm clumsy. All right, let me get all these caps out the way. All right, so now I'm going to strain it into the glass. So exciting. Then I'm gonna hit it with a little bit of whipped cream, you know. We're gonna get just a little bit of whipped cream on there. Yeah. All right, then I'm gonna do just a dash. We gotta hit her with some of that pumpkin spice. All right, cameraman. Sorry for the goopy hands. Let me know what you think, because you asked for it, and now you got it. Cheers. Cameraman.
Wow, that is delicious. You got to taste that fresh again. That's a good one.
Damn, I love the holidays.
Delicious fall cocktail.
I love the holidays. Well, like always, thank you for watching. Please do subscribe, share, and like, and click the bell. And I'll see you guys next time. Enjoy.